Outstanding.
Welcome again to another tutorial video. It's your boy Eldorado and Ting. Don't forget to subscribe. Check the link in the description below for this particular beat I'm going to build now. For this beat, more of a build a guitar type beat. Another guitar type beat because I've done so and upload one already. So, more of a do one different one and now. So I have a guitar sound in Sampletang 4. It's called Polar L Finger Sustain. And it's a really nice preset. I have selected, I've built a few beats out of it. And just I'll pick another scale. So we go G sharp, and I'm gonna go in a harmonic minor, and I'm gonna start from here. I'm gonna pick a tempo of 99, and I'm going to switch. I'm going to leave it at 1/6 per beat, and see what I can come up with. So turn on the metronome. Pitch it down almost semitone. So now make it. So I'm gonna put this one in the first downbeat, put it to the right, turn it down. Alright, so see if we can find a melody with this sound. Yes, on. But first, I think more of a full background. We'll try this electric pad and see how really it works. Turn on this. Alright, so the thing with chords like these, you have a lot of voice in, so it sounds more fuller. Weird chord progression, but it does quantize. Miss anything? Control A, Alt R, accept. So I play now a more realistic feeling. Alright, that threw me off. Let me try again. So we just want to keep it simple. See if we can repeat them notes here. See if I can wonder if this makes sense. Alright, so I'm going to do lock this. I'm going to solo this. Turn off this. So probably that can work. Turn it on back and yes on. So I'm gonna copy this again. Just so. But what I want to do is I think this. So I'm gonna copy about this and put it here so and see how well it works. I think this too high. So maybe it's on clean. Let me try the clean showcase here and see. I'll lay it with the melody and see if it really makes sense. You know, it's a guitar type beat, but you know, for texture purposes. Nope. What we're going to do here, mark all and strum it a little tiny bit. and copy, cut off here, so I will delete here, so it's like the strum a little bit. See it play. Something here, so I played tiny bit too loud. I want to play a little softer. So careful, a whole heap of tension. Was it there? Yeah, it sound way more softer now. I want the sound so pronounced more, I don't know, a little bit softer. Yeah, and it's perfect. Alright, so for ounce here now, I think I'll use bass from here. Same bass, and I'm gonna use let's use big and clicky, and turn off. Put that there about 2 seconds. I think that should be okay. Turn it down. To the I don't want nothing fancy, but you know, something cool. Alright, so when I go OD the beat, but what I'm gonna do is just collide, as you know. Yep. So I'm gonna turn up this, put this so and this, somewhere around here, and click accept, and go split it. Split by channel. I'll leave everything else as is. I think we might add one more plugin. Just see, find out when we really do it like this. Easy for me just delete things and call it a day. So remove all the drums and percussions and the bass here. Here, add a plugin down here. soprano. Here's one Latin phrase. Was it this or this one? Let's not use this instead. Suppose we can find a nice little phrase within this particular. Let's see what's going on now. Alright, so I'm gonna call this basic O copy. So rename it. PS. Accept. And just leave it as is. Cut. Find X empty. PS. Close this. And put it there so. Let's see what I'm going to do now. I'm gonna go do too, because some things need to turn down. Next available track and turn it down from here so. So I think I'll put this here, so put that. Alright, so I guess that's about it for this particular beat. If you really want to listen to the mixed and mastered version of this particular beat, please do click the link below to the beat on the Beats channel so you can really listen to the full production of this particular beat. So thank you again for watching. It's your boy Eldorado. Hope to catch you again in another guitar type beat tutorial video. So please do subscribe, hit the bell notification icon and select all notifications so you can get post notification as soon as the videos are uploaded and made available to you. So please do check out the other rest of videos that I have on this particular channel, and peace out.